Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
The Prahlad Maharaj, that's an exalted personality. The authority, he is so humble. He said, Kintostu marhati samir hari rudrayate. I am born in a very ferocious family. Certainly, I have inherited the quality of my father and my family, demonic family. And persons like Lord Brahma and other demigods, they could not satisfy the Lord. And what I shall do? The Vaishnava thinks like that. Vaishnava Prahlad Maharaj, although he transcendental, nitya-siddha, he is thinking, identifying himself with his friend. Just like Haridas Thakur. Haridas Thakur was not entering in the Jagannath temple. The same thing 500 years ago. They did not allow anyone except Hindus in the Jagannath temple. The same thing is still going on. But Haridas Thakur never by force entered. He thought himself, yes, I'm a low-grade person, born in low-grade family. Why should I disturb the pujaris and others who are directly engaged with Jagannath? No. Sanatana Goswami, he did not go near the temple gate. He thought himself, by touching me, the pujaris will be impure, better I cannot go. But Jagannath himself was coming to see him daily. This is the position of devotee. Devotee is very humble. But to prove the devotee's qualities, the Lord takes care. Oh, they are pradhyani, name bhakta. So it will always depend on Krishna's assurance that in any circumstances, any dangerous position, Krishna, avasya rakhive Krishna vishasapa. This is surrender. Surrender means, one of the items is full faith in Krishna. That in execution of my devotional service, there may be so many dangers, but because I have taken the shelter of Krishna's lotus feet, and this faith must be strong. Samasthita di padamallavam pravam mahat padam punna jato mudari bhavam buddhi vassa padama 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 jadi budam padama padama jadi budam, not ekam. Vipadam means dangerous position. Padam padam, every state in this material world. But not ekam, not for the devotee. Padama padama jadi budam. This is Srimad Bhagavatam, even from literary point of view, so exalted. So Prahlad Maharaj, just like Kaviraj Goswami, he is writing Chaitanya Charitamrita and presenting himself, he said, Purisher Keet Haite Moise Lohisha. Jagai Madhai Haite Moise Papish. More Nam Jai Rai Tar Punna Kho. Like the author of Chaitanya Charitamrita, he is present himself, the lighter than the one in the stool. Puri says, eat, eat, and Muri says, and in Chaitanya Lila, Jagai Madhai, two brothers are supposed to be much sinful. But he was also, they were also delivered. Kaviraj Goswami said, I am more sinful than the Jagai Madhai. Jagai Madhai is the Muri. More now, Jai Loy Sar Punno Kho. I am so loaded that if somebody takes my name, whatever little fire action is there, he is lost. It is very good. And Sanatana Goswami presenting himself, means jati, means karma, means dhamma. They are not artificial. The Vaishnava actually thinks that is what he is never proud of. And just opposite number, oh, I am Bhagavad, I am Bhagavad, please be quiet to me. I am so rich, I am so this and that. That is this thing. So we have to learn this Krishna thing, follow the Krishna, and follow the footprints of Prahlad Maharaj, and then surely we shall be accepted by meeting of a Krishna without any failure. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,